this is the weather for the crossing. We're hoping we can do it. Looks like 40km/h winds this afternoon. Probably a little bit of snow, -6. Hopefully it's a go.
So in our bag we got a dry bag full of Alpine clothing just in case the weather turns. We got our food and 6 liters of water. And guess who's carrying it?
So this shuttle bus dropped us off at the southwest starting point of the crossing. Weather was a little rainy to start out with for the first 5 or 6 kilometers up towards Soda Springs.
During our ascent up the South Crater, we would have had an amazing view of Mount Nairuhoe. For any Lord of the Ring fan, that's also known as Mount Doom. But as you will see, the weather took a turn.
During the ascent up the Red Crater, the winds really started to pick up. Little did we know they would clock out at 81 km/h along the ridge. Unfortunately, with the extreme weather, our camera gear completely stopped working by this point. Not that we could film anyways, the heavy gusts had literally blown me to the ground, and Andrew had to pull me along the ice-covered rocks. We formed a human chain with others just to make it across the ridge. It was pretty intense.
Once we reached the other side of the crater, we were now somewhat sheltered by the winds. We made a pit stop at the beautiful Emerald Lakes before starting our descent. I see why Tongariro is rated as one of the top 10 hikes in the world. The views were unreal.
After 20 kilometers and 6 hours of hiking, we were so happy to see our shuttle. We treated ourselves to a hot shower and a warm bed at the hostel.